How to make Google Photos default on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can make Google Photos default on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to make your Google Photos default on iPhone, by default what happens is that all of the photos that you have on your iPhone is going to get backed up to your iCloud. Maybe you want to turn that off and then you want Google Photos to back it up. That's also particularly very simple. What you can do is, first of all, we're going to turn off the backup to iCloud by opening settings, going to our Apple ID, and then just going to iCloud here. And if you have photos backup turned on, all you have to do is just turn it off over here. So if you have this turned on, you can just turn off these photos here by tapping the turn off option here, and then you can choose to download all of the photos and videos that you have already backed up in the past as well. Now once we have done that, all of the photos that was backed up to iCloud will no longer back themselves up again. And the photos, now what we need to do is open Google Photos, choose the correct Google account here, and then once done, tap on the turn on backup option. What this does is that now whatever photos you have on your iPhone will start to get backed up on your Google Photos instead of your iCloud, and that way your Google Photos will be set as the default backing up. And then after that, you should be able to go ahead and then change the Google Photos as the default. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.